Question number 81. Let's read the question. Among the following, which compound undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction most readily? Student, for this question, we need to know that the compound having less electron density in the ring will be more reactive or will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction most easily. So it is very clear that among the following, the last compound, that is the compound given in option number 4, will undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction most readily since the electron density on the ring will be least. So the correct answer is option number 4. Going to next question, which is question number 82. Let's read it. Identify the major product B in the following sequence of reactions. Student, first we are given with isopropyl benzene. This, when reacts with O2 and further heated, get cumene hydroperoxide. This is CCH3 CH3OOH. This one reacts with H2O in acidic medium. The compound so formed is acetone and phenol. Since it is given that A is aromatic compound, so this is A. This one reacts with CHCl3 plus KOH alcoholic followed by H2O. Student, this is Riemann-Tiemann reaction and the compound so formed is OH, CHO, that is salicylaldehyde, and this is the compound B. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 3. This is the major product formed. That means the correct answer is option number 3. Moving to the next question, which is question number 83. Let's read it, students. The correct order of reactivity with PHMgBr is. Student, here we are given with some aldehydes and ketones and we have to identify the correct order of their reactivity with PHMgBr, that is Grignard reagent. Student, for this question we need to know that aldehydes generally are more reactive towards nucleophilic addition reaction because of less steric hindrance and more electrophilic carbonyl carbon. So let's see the correct order. So the most reactive compound will be HCHO followed by ethane null. Further, this acetone, and the least reactive will be acetophenone, that is CH3C double bond OPH. That means the correct order is represented in option number 4. Moving to next question, which is question number 84. Let's read it. Select the correct statement among the following. Number 1. Isopropanol on reaction with I2NaOH forms iodoform. Student, this is a correct statement as we all know that the compound which has this group or this gives positive iodoform test. And since isopropanol is this, that means isopropanol on reaction with I2 and NaOH forms CHI3. This is iodoform with CH3COONa. Moving to next statement. CH3CCHO does not undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Student, this is an incorrect statement as this compound will undergo Cannizzaro reaction since this compound does not have alpha hydrogen. Moving to next, H- transfer in the fastest step in Cannizzaro reaction. Student, this is an incorrect statement as hydride ion shift takes place in the slowest step in Cannizzaro reaction. Moving to the last statement, enolate ion is formed as intermediate in aldol condensation which is stabilized by more electron donating group attached with alpha carbon of carbonyl. Student, this is also an incorrect statement as the enolate ion which is formed as an intermediate in aldol condensation is destabilized by more electron donating group. So rather is stabilized by electron withdrawing group. That means the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Moving to next question, which is question number 85. Let's read it. Select the compound which does not react with benzene sulfonyl chloride. Student, benzene sulfonyl chloride is Hinsberg reagent. So let's see, this is 1 degree amine, this is again 1 degree amine, this is 2 degree amine, and this is 3 degree amine. Student, this is a very easy question, as we all know that 3 degree amine does not react with Hinsberg reagents, that is benzene sulfonyl chloride. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. Moving to next question.